Hi, how are you guys? You alright? Today we have pizza boscariola with fried mushroom. You don't put it fresh because the mushroom is coming water in pizza, is getting melty. You fry it first. Little bit black pepper, salt, and you fry. And that's it. Cherry peppers we fry. We make it like a roast pepper in the pan. We're gonna make pizza americana today. Mixed peppers, Italian pepperoni, chili. Delicious pizza. Very nice it's gonna be. Preparing tomato sauce for pizza. 1 small spoon salt, a little bit olive oil, as you can see, oregano. You can put basil, but we don't have basil. You can put some oregano. It's ready. We're going to mix it now. We're going to mix it. Always you taste in the sauce. Maybe need a little bit more salt. You can add. Be careful with the salt. Don't put too much salt. Salt is not good. Put pizza out. It's not cooked properly. You can see it's half cooked. We put in mozzarella now. Don't put mozzarella in same with pizza together in dough because it's gonna get melty water. Very ugly. Now we can put cheese like this. Man. Oh, Martin, you're gonna eat good tonight. We can see Martin. You can see Martin. Here we go. We're gonna put guys. Pizza Valentine Day heart is ready. Some basil on the top. Oh man, lovely, beautiful, beautiful, lovely pizza. You can see lovely. Look, look at that. Look at that. Lovely pizza. Now it's time to taste it. 1 spoon tomato sauce. You can see. Here we go. It's looking good. We put in heart pizza for Valentine's Day for lovely people. Remember, very good. This is for calzone. Oh man, calzone. Cheese. We open it small because this is mozzarella and water. If it's fiore di latte, it's not melting too much because this is in water, this cheese. And we open it small. There we go. We add in ham. It's gonna be very nice. Tasty this one, I'm telling you. Some oregano. Now we fold it like that. You can see into close good. This. Here we go. 10 minutes is gonna be ready. Calzone is ready and you can see, man, how lovely. You can add some olive oil in the top. Make it soft. Look, lovely calzone, look. Look at that, look. Nice baked, look. Now we put in the ingredients. This is gonna be boscariola pizza. Salsiccia fresca, mushroom, onion. The traditional Italian pizza. This is very good pizza, very nice. You need to try, guys. I'm telling you. Mushroom. We got mushroom here. What I said before, we fry before the mushroom with olive oil, some black pepper, little bit salt. No. We add onion now. Red onion is good for pizza because white onion is sweet. Up to you guys which one you like, but red onion is the best. There we go. This is salsiccia fresca. You can see. I'm telling you, this is nice pizza. You need to try, guys. You're not gonna be disappointed. Oh man, this is looking good already. Look, man. A lot of ingredients, man. You can see. Look at, man. Look at here, man. Oh my god. Nice pizza, man. You can put a little bit chili flakes if you like, you know, because this is meat, carne. Salsiccia fresca. We put it in. 6 minutes is gonna be ready. Pepperoni, spices pepperoni. And chili flakes in the end. It's called pizza americana. Trust me, guys, this is the best pizza. Lovely. 10-12 minutes is gonna be ready. Now I'm gonna put in the oven now. Here we go. Oh man, this is looking lovely pizza. Now we're gonna add mozzarella. You can see it's not border, it's not cooked properly, half cooked. Pizza not to get melty. For this one we put in mozzarella now. Oh man, this is lovely pizza, man. This is beautiful. People, if they like chili, they can put some more chili if they want. Because salami is spicy, to be honest, you know. Salami is spicy. This is lovely pizza. Trust me, guys. Trust me. Oh man, we're gonna eat good tonight, Martin. Oh, man, look, lovely Americana. Some oregano on the top. Beautiful pizza. Look at, man. Look at that. Look. Beautiful, lovely, man. Lovely pizza, man. Lovely pizza. Good, good, good. Good pizza. Right here, I think. Right here. We apologize with trying in front of you. You can smell the taste. You can smell. Pepperoni, nice, man. Look.